Hey everyone, it's Megan Haynes with Heart to Home AZ, and I'm so excited to show you this cute one-bedroom, one-bath condo in the heart of Scottsdale. Let's take a look. When you walk in the door, you'll notice these beautiful wood-like tile floors that are easy to maintain and give the home a warm and inviting feel. And check out this kitchen. I absolutely love these butcher block countertops, the cute appliances, and all of the architectural features that give this home so much charm. Step outside onto your own private patio. It's perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or the peaceful evenings. It really is your own private oasis. This community is peaceful and welcoming. It comes with not just one, but 2 sparkling pools. It's also steps away from Old Town Scottsdale, the canal, and all the other fun spots this area has to offer. So if you're looking for a move-in ready condo in the heart of Scottsdale, this is it. If you'd like a private tour, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you.